Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this simple recipe, DIY facial scrub. We'll be needing some honey, sugar and lemon. I'm using white sugar. You can use brown sugar, okay? But I'm using white, okay? So let's get started. We are going to combine the ingredients together and mix very well. Guys, this scrub is very good and it's very effective. Sugar is good for the face. It removes dirt, unclogs pores and glowing skin. Why honey too? Honey is very good. It's natural, antibacterial. It's great for acne treatment and prevention, anti-aging, and it reduces wrinkles. Lemon contains vitamin C. It helps whitening the skin, get rid of acne scars, and deeply into pores to whisk away dead skin cells. This scrub helps moisturizing, smoothing, remove dirt and blackheads, and glowy skin. So these are our scrub, guys. Can you see? So I'm going to be telling you guys how to apply it on your face. After cleaning your face, you gently massage the scrub on your face. Make sure you rub it on your face on a circular motion. Then you leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Then you rinse it off with warm water. So you can use this face scrub 2 to 3 times a week. Okay guys, make sure to try this recipe. It's very good and it's very effective. You'll see a huge difference when you start using this face scrub on your face. If you know you have acne, dark spots, try this recipe, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share. And I will sure to see you guys in my next video. Bye.